In this video, we listed the 5 best printers for art prints that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon imagePROGRAF PRO 300. The Canon imagePROGRAF PRO 300 is a professional inkjet photo and fine art printer designed to offer exceptional image quality and productivity. It features a 9-color plus chroma optimizer ink system tailored to meet the needs of photographers ranging from advanced amateurs to professionals. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and USB, with a special feature of wireless capability for flexible printing. This printer emphasizes ease of use with features like the nozzle recovery system and skew correction, enhancing productivity and maintaining high print quality. With a compact footprint, the PRO 300 integrates a 3.0-inch color LCD monitor for easy monitoring of ink levels, printer status, and settings, providing photographers with comprehensive control over their printing processes. Number 2. Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550 is a versatile inkjet printer designed for high-quality printing of photos, graphics, and creative projects. It features cartridge-free printing using Epson's Claria ET Premium 6-color inks, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp text. Capable of printing a 4x6-inch photo in as fast as 15 seconds, it supports media up to 13 inches by 19 inches and handles various specialty media types up to 1.3 mm thick, including cardstock and CDs, DVDs. The printer offers auto 2-sided printing and boasts significant cost savings, with 4-inch by 6-inch photo prints costing about 4 cents each compared to 40 cents with traditional ink cartridges. Users can save up to 80% on ink costs with low-cost replacement ink bottles, enough to print up to 6,200 color pages per set. Additionally, it supports wireless connectivity and mobile printing via the Epson Smart Panel app, enhancing ease of use and functionality. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET 4800. The Epson EcoTank ET 4800 is a versatile all-in-one printer designed for efficiency and cost savings. It features a refillable ink tank system, eliminating the need for traditional ink cartridges and reducing waste. With high-capacity tanks, it can print up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 pages in color, equivalent to about 90 individual cartridges. This model supports wireless and wired connectivity, including Wi-Fi and Ethernet, and integrates with smart devices for convenient printing via the Epson Smart Panel app. It boasts micro-piezo heat-free technology for sharp text and vivid color prints on various paper types. Additionally, it includes a built-in scanner and copier, making it a comprehensive solution for home or office printing needs. Number 4. Canon PIXMA TR8620A. The Canon CN-TR8620A is a wireless inkjet printer designed for efficient home or small office use. It offers versatile functionality with print, copy, scan, and fax capabilities, making it a comprehensive 4-in-1 device. Key features include a network-ready setup for seamless connectivity, an auto-document feeder for convenient handling of multiple pages, a user-friendly touch-screen interface, and a built-in memory card slot for direct printing. It supports both color and monochrome printing, with a maximum speed of 10 pages per minute in color and 15 pages per minute in black and white. The printer is equipped with automatic 2-sided printing to save paper and has a generous 200 sheet capacity, 100 sheets in the cassette and 100 in the rear feed. Its design includes smart features such as integration with Alexa for ink level notifications and automatic reordering through Amazon's Smart Reorders service, ensuring a hassle-free printing experience without the need for a subscription. Number 5. Canon PIXMA PRO 200. The Canon PIXMA PRO 200 is a versatile inkjet printer designed for professional printing needs. It supports both wired and wireless connectivity options, allowing flexibility in use. Featuring an enhanced 8-color dye-based ink system, it promises vibrant and high-quality prints. It can handle a variety of media sizes, including borderless prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches or custom sizes up to 13 inches by 39 inches. The printer is noted for its compact design, making it suitable for home or studio environments. With a maximum print speed of approximately 90 seconds for bordered A3 Plus prints, it emphasizes efficiency without compromising on output quality. Additionally, it includes a built-in 3-inch LCD display for easy ink level monitoring and maintenance, and supports printing via Wi-Fi or network connections. Canon's Professional Print and Layout (PPL) 2 software further enhances usability by simplifying print settings, allowing users to focus more on their creative work.